So today I'm going to share something with you that's a little bit different and something that I'm very excited about. Don't go away. Hello everybody and welcome to Fat Guy Productions. I am Paul, coming to you as always from beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, the other day I put out a thing on my community tab, a comment, and basically I mentioned that the Redline Jackpot event is going to be here in Vegas for the third year in a row. It's not a giant thing, but it's a pretty cool Redline Hot Wheel event. So I'm going to go to it again. I went to it last year, and I'm going to go to it again this year. And I asked, would you guys be interested in either like a live check-in or possibly just a video on the event? So the comments seem to be like, yeah, we'd like to see that. Well, I'm not used to filming on the go. I do it every now and then, but it's always been a problem. Having to either carry my phone like this. Hi. Or have it on the end of a tripod, and it's just been a problem. Well, hopefully I have a better way here in this box. This is the kind of guy I am. I'm a caring, giving man, and I bought this so I can make better videos for you guys. So let's take a look and see what we have in here. This is going to kind of be... I don't know this device, okay? I know this company, but I don't know this device. I know about this device, but that's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this... Oh, okay, yeah. I guess pull this to open. Read the instructions on the box. Like I said, I know this company, but I've never tried a device like this before. It is the DJI OM5, and this is basically a stabilizer. So you hold your cell phone in this, and you can carry it around, and as you're walking, instead of the phone doing this, you're doing this, but the phone is doing this and going really nice and smooth and stable. This has got a lot of cool little features in it, and we're going to open it up and take a look and try it out. And we're going to use it at the Redline Jackpot here at the end of this month. This is early. What day is today? Today's February 7th. The jackpot, I think, starts the 24th. So, yeah, as soon as I decided to go to that and film it, I decided to buy this so you guys wouldn't have to get seasick and throw up all over the place. You're welcome. All right, let's see. Let's open this up. You know, nobody likes to spew, but I think we all agree that spew is funny. All right, so let's take a look. See what this is. Now, DJI is the company who makes the drone I have. I've had 2 drones from DJI before in total, and so I'm aware of their quality, and so I know this will be a nice product. See here, it says on the box. Well, first of all, let's do that. Let's talk about the box. Nice little image on the front. A little boring, okay? Could be a little more exciting. Their logos. It's got a distinctive Apple feel to it, right? Okay, there's a little more interest in it. All right, all the tech stuff on the bottom. And then on the back, DJI OM5. This is their newest handheld device. Shot guides. Portable and foldable magnetic design, 3-axis stabilization, active track 4.0, built-in extension rod, so like for selfies and stuff. In the box is the OM5, the storage pouch, the grip tripod, the wrist strap, power cable, magnetic phone clamp 2, and the manual. Right? Okay. So let's open this up. Okay. Smartphone stabilizer. This was like I think it was actually under $150. So it shows you to scan this code and download the DJI Memo app. And it shows you how to unfold the stabilizer. You clip this onto your phone, and it's a magnetic mount that then clicks onto the device. How to turn it on, and we are here for you. Master every shot. Okay, so what is this? This is a little pamphlet. This is a weird thing, okay. So it's a little cardboard pouch with stuff in it, I guess. Yeah, there's stuff in it. It's got like a kind of a weird padded piece on here. So I guess the idea is that it's acting as padding and a pouch at the same time. That's just a little bit different. Never seen anything like that before. Okay, so open that up. And then, see, there's even an extra little reinforcement there. That's so weird. Okay, what do we got here? We got crap. We are here for you. Quick start guide, not crap. Okay, we want to keep that. And safety guidelines, crap. Oh, crap. Okay. And there it is. Okay, there is the OM5. Okay, it comes in a white or in this gray. Got a little switch here, a button, some kind of like a joystick thing, some lights. There's, I'm sure, the power button, a charging thing. I don't know if this got any powers to it. So let's let's. Okay, that unfolds really nicely, no problem. Let's push the power button. Oh, you know, if this is anything like their drones, you have to push it and then push and hold. That did not do it. So, okay, let's take a quick look at the quick start guide. You unfold it. It looks like it's telling me to push this button. I have no idea what that is supposed to mean right there. Two inches? I have no idea. Okay. It could be dead. I don't know what that means. Okay, so far, so bad, because that is as clear as mud. What? Somebody tell me what that's supposed to mean. I see it's got the universal symbol for power, but... Oh, there it is. Okay, look. It's over here on the side. There's a button with an M on it, and above it you can see a little power symbol. There we go. All right, and it's got juice. Okay, so the push and hold to turn it off. Okay, all right. It's still not really clear if you ask me. So record or take a photo button. This is, you push it once and the camera spins around. You push it twice and it turns the camera from horizontal to landscape. This lets you control up, down, left, right. This is magnification plus or minus. I don't know what you're magnifying. This is 3 dots. I don't know. Maybe it's programmable. And then M is 3 dots. Okay, so clear as mud. All right, let's get the rest of this out of here. Okay, there's that. Ooh, okay, what do you got? We've got a wrist strap. That's actually probably a good idea because you can have it like this pretty easily, pretty comfortably. That way you don't drop it and or your phone. Okay, a little power cord, USB cord. Riser pad for small phones. Okay. I guess if your phone doesn't fit in the clip very well, you can put this on there to help it hold on. Okay, so that's what that is. Okay. All right, this is really nice. DJI logo on it and stuff. And is it okay? It is spring loaded. Okay. Wow, is that gonna hold my phone? I hope. Phone camera direction goes. So the phone goes in here like this with the camera up at this end. Okay. Anything? Yeah, this is, I wasn't sure if this was padding or what. This must be the little carry bag. Okay, that's really nice. This is the tripod handle that you can add on. And then when you're not using it as a handle or something, you can just do that. That's pretty nice. Or you can keep it simple. So that's actually all pretty cool. And that's it for what's in the box. All right. Let's take a peek here and see what all we got then. Let's get this garbage out of here. Okay. Let's get all this out of here. Okay. So, what do you think? I think we should try to see. Wow. I hope that fits. Okay. But anyhow, it says that's up. Okay. It will fit. Okay. In its case. It fits. All right. So according to this, we unfold it like we did. We put the bracket on our phone, which we did. We now take and we connect the phone to this. Oh, wow. Okay, that was pretty intense. Okay, we now hold it the right direction, and we push and hold this. Powers up. It does a little self-balance, and I think we're in business. Yeah, we are. Can you see what it's doing as I'm rolling my hand? See how it's keeping the orientation of the phone? Okay, here, let's record. Oh, where's the... Check this out. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right. Very firm. Not jinkety at all. Okay. I'm assuming you're going to need to have the app installed to do certain things, but let's try this. Let's do this. I'm going to push the little button. Didn't do it. There we go. Because I always film proper. All right. So I don't think it's gonna... It's not paired to my phone or anything, so to start recording, I'm gonna actually have to turn the camera on. Video. Okay. Okay, so I've got it connected. It's pretty nice. Very smooth. And then now let's see, I should be able to control it. Whoa. Okay, this is pretty cool. Wow, what do you think, guys? I think that's pretty neat. Wow. And then 2 more clicks. Let's switch it back. 2 more clicks. Back. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, go turn this off here. Okay, so look, I know this is going to be a short video because I really don't know how to work this and I don't know all the features. I'll probably do a whole second video on this where I will show you everything I've learned. I will definitely be using this at the Redline Jackpot. Hang on, now let's do this, okay? I'm gonna take that around, start recording. Oh, wrong way. Okay, so now I'm recording. I'm recording in this other camera here, so I can show you right here, and then I can show you right here that I'm recording through my phone on the little tripod and stuff. It's pretty cool. It'll be even better once I have it all synced up so that I can control the camera shot and the start, stop, record and all that from the buttons on the OM5. And so, yeah, that is pretty neat, man. I gotta tell you, that is fun. I like that. That is gonna make doing the Redline Jackpot so much nicer for you guys. And seriously, you know, I joke about that stuff, about what a nice guy I am and how I do all this stuff for you guys. And, you know, okay, I joke about that. But on the up and up, seriously, this is going to make the video at the Redline Jackpot so much better because I'm going to be able to walk around the room and I'm going to be able to just stand there and show you the cases. I don't want to be the guy lugging around a tripod all day. Okay, I just don't want to do that, and I'm not going to have to do that. If I actually make a paracord neck lanyard, I can actually just carry this whole thing right around my neck, and lo and behold, just Okay, so right now, early, this looks amazing, okay? I'm very excited about this. I think it's going to be really great if you're the kind of person who films on the go, or you take a lot of trips, travel stuff. I can see 1,000,001 uses for this thing. This looks like it's going to be a fantastic addition to my arsenal of cameras and equipment to make the videos that I do for you guys better. I hope you loved this video, and if you did, please give it a giant thumbs up, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos on my DJI OM5. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I'm going to learn how to work this. I'll probably make a whole other video on it, and you know you're going to see this at the Redline Jackpot. All right, I'm going to go ahead and split. Until next time, this is Paul from Fat Guy Productions saying, be good.